Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by cataloging every reused clip and its license. This is critical. Once cataloged, assess how much original value you will add, narration, critique, or transformative edits. Make sure to log exact timestamps and % of reused footage. These numbers guide strikes risk. Next, enable or review your content ID preferences and copyright contact info in channel settings so you're prepared if claims arise. Now you execute the creative transformation. Start with a clear thesis that explains why the reused clips exist. You narrate purpose before each segment. Then apply edits, reframe with crop, speed, or color grade, intersperse B-roll, and add on-screen notes that critique or teach. Make sure to save a version log showing every change and why that change makes the content new and educational. This record helps in disputes. Finish by crafting a precise description that credits sources, lists timestamps, and explicitly states your transformative intent. You should select appropriate upload settings, add metadata, and run a private draft to pre-flight content ID checks. Once public, monitor claims. If flagged, respond quickly with your documented edit log, timestamps, and an explanation of the added value. If strikes persist, escalate with an appeal and include the transformation rationale as the primary evidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.